to Happy Fingers. Today, we are drawing Tayo, the cheerful little bus from the popular kids cartoon. Follow along step by step and bring Tayo to life with bright colors and creativity.
With Tayo a happy ride. Connie, Lonnie, Rogie too. All are ready driving through. Everywhere they go they shine, bringing joy to every line. Beep beep he goes. Children laugh and say hello. Tayo's fast, so safe and strong, taking friends where they belong. Night has come, it's time to rest in the garage with all his best. Playing, laughing, having fun. Tomorrow brings a brand new run. On the road he speeds along, helping friends and staying strong. If someone needs a helping hand, Tayo's there to take a stand. Smiling brightly every day, with his friends he's on his way. Working hard to be the best, driving far he never rests. People trust him, young and old. Tayo's heart is big and bold. Every trip's an adventure ride, with his friends right by his side. Come along and join the fun, riding with Tayo everyone. Sing this song and dance around, happiness is all around. Rolling down the streets so bright, Tayo drives with joy and light. Passengers wave with smiles so wide, riding with Tayo a happy ride. Connie, Lonnie, Rogie too, all are ready driving through. Everywhere they go they shine,
Don't forget to
bringing
like,
joy to
comment, and subscribe for more fun and creative videos. Happy Fingers, where every stroke brings joy.